Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to talk about screen mirroring. That means we are going to take our Android screen to our PC without installing any additional software on our PC. But you need to download some files. You can find these files on description of this video. After then you need to extract those files into a specific folder. Then you can open it and run it on your PC. First of all, you need to turn on USB debugging on your phone. I will show you how to enable USB debugging on your phone once I connected to my phone into my PC. As you already know, there are so many softwares for this process, but almost all these softwares are not working properly, and also some of software needed to have a good VGA card. But in my case, I don't need to buy a new VGA for this process, and also I don't need to have any special option on my PC, and also I don't need to buy this software because it's a totally free. As you already know, there are so many softwares for this process, but almost all these software need to be paid, and also you can't use them after the ending of your trial period. You need to take a risk and use a cracked version of that software. So I am going to give you a totally free software for this process. You can download that software from description of this video. Then you need to open it like this. This is our software. I already extracted it to my PC. Here is our application. Then click on it. Now you can see here is my phone. I can click on any point of my phone, and also I can go to notifications. Then I can go to my setting. Here is my device setting. So let's see how to enable USB debugging on your phone. First thing is you need to open your setting application like this. Then go to your about device option. Here it is. Then you need to go to your software info and tap on your build number until your device will get in this message. No need, developer mode has already enabled. Then you need to go to your developer mode like this. Then open it and scroll down, and you can see there is an option for USB debugging. You need to turn on that option. You can see I have disabled the option, so my device is disconnected. So I am going to enable it once again from my phone. Then you need to allow your computer from your phone. Open it once again. Now you can see it's appeared again. Likewise, this software is a totally free one, and also it's support for landscape mode. You can see when I turn my phone like this, it's going to the landscape mode. My phone is a DODX one, so it has some errors with using applications. That's why those applications are getting force closing. But in this case you can't use home, back key or recent app keys on this emulator, because those keys are not included with this application. So you can't use this, but you can do anything from this application on your phone, and also you can get your Android screen to your PC. You can see you can enter to this high resolution mode. It's good for when you are going to create a video about a game or application. And also there is another software called Wondershare Mirror Go. This application also a good software for run get your Android screen to your PC, but this software also needs some additional requirements and is needed to install some applications from Play Store. You need to install MirrorGo application from Play Store to run this application, and This application also has some bugs because this application sometimes are not connecting to your phone. You can see my device is already connected, but now I can't connect to my phone into this application because it's getting error after I reached 95%. You can see it here. When I go to this type of percentage, I can continue my phone from PC. But this application already worked on my device. You can download this cracked version of this application from description of this video. After the downloading of cracked version, you need to place some DLL files on the directory where we installed this application. You can find the directory of this application from right click on it and go to the open file location option. Then you can see there is some DLL files, and also you need to open your RAR file and paste your DLL files here. Then you need to overwrite it. If you are going to overwrite a DLL file, you need to close this application like this. Close it from here. Then you need to exit that application from here also. I can't see because of my screen recorder. Okay, here it is, my Wondershare MirrorGo application is running on background, so I need to exit from it. And also you need to open your task manager and exit Wondershare background processes. Then type on W. Now you can find Wondershare applications easily. Here is some applications running on background. You need to end all of these applications to run crack that application. After the closing that application, then you can place your all your DLL file to here for crack that application. That's all. Thank you all for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and join with me.